Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing a box from ThreadBeast. I can't wait to open it up and see what's inside. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So right here I do have my box from ThreadBeast, man. And if you're subscribed to the channel, this is like my third video with ThreadBeast boxes, and my other ones have been going really hard. So pause, you feel me? I'm really looking forward to seeing what's in this box, man. I do have my trusty box cutter right here, so you know what time it is, man. Peel back gang. We're gonna go ahead and give it that good old slice down the middle. Then you gotta say it with me, man. We gotta go ahead and peel it back. We gotta peel it back. Now let's see what we got in this bad boy right here, man. So we got our sticker right here, our good ThreadBeast sticker right here. And the box is looking real chunky, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. You feel me? The box is looking good. Let's go, let's go. You know I gotta put everything on body. You know I gotta give you outfit ideas. You know we're gonna go from A to Z with what is in this box, man. So we do have our tissue paper. Oh, look at this. We got the Stance socks. You feel me? We got the Dwayne Wade collection Stance socks right here. And you know these Stance socks, these are like 20 bucks by themselves, man. So can't wait to throw these on, you feel me? I'm gonna throw the socks on as well. I'm just putting everything on. So we got the Stance socks. Right here we do have I think this is, what is this? Looks like we got a shirt here. We have a gray t-shirt from Buffalo David Bitten right here. So we have the gray long sleeve, and you know we do have those kind of winter months right now, so the long sleeve is definitely welcome. And that's one thing that I do like about ThreadBeast. They make sure that the clothes fit the season. You feel me? We can't be in December and you know they sending out shorts. That just wouldn't quite match up. You feel me? So we do have the gray long sleeve right here. It does have the buffalo stitched on the left hand side right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Very nice, and it is a size medium. Now when I did my style profile, you know, I put down the type of clothes that I wanted to receive in the box. Like not necessarily the brands, but did I want casual? Did I want athletic? Did I want like graphic tees? So this fits right in line with the box that I did check. And right here we do have what looks like we got a nice hoodie right here. Okay, we got Jack and Jones. You feel me? We got a Jack and Jones hoodie right here, navy blue. We're getting some nice colors, and actually these colors remind me of the Sean Weatherspoon Air Maxes that Nike came out with. Now I don't have those, I wish I did, but yes, a very nice sweater right here. You feel me? We got the hood on the lightweight side right here. You feel me? This is one of those things that you might want to layer with. And right here we do have some jeans. You know you cannot go wrong with the jeans. We have some Staple jeans, some jeans from Staple, and I know you guys are all familiar with Staple. Right here I did get a size 34, which is my preferred size. We got the nice blue jeans. We got a couple little designs as far as some rips go right there, man. Very nice. I hope this is, ooh, okay, we got some stitching. We got some yellow stitching right here. You feel me? Something I can definitely work with. Right here, the back, we do have the Staple right there. It says Staple work clothes. So we do have we got the nice blue jeans, man. I can't wait to throw these on and show you guys what these look like on body. But this is turning out to be a very, very nice box right here. And right here I do have the jeans on, and the jeans are definitely looking good. I like the way that they kind of put the jeans and this shirt, this hoodie, in that same box, because it's like a built-in outfit. You don't really have to do too much. I have the Nike runners at the bottom, you feel me? And I feel like that really goes well with the fit. I mean, this is a very good look. And that Jack and Jones hoodie is definitely looking good. I went ahead and threw that on with that Hat Club pink bottom, which matches with that pink at the bottom of the design, you feel me? Can't really go wrong. Definitely like this, man. And I feel like it's a good look. And next we do have, oh, this is nice. This is like a statement piece right here. We do have, let me put this to the side. We do have a jacket from Diamond Supply. And you know you cannot go wrong with the jackets right now. And this is a very nice, and I love that teal, that Tiffany blue that they work with. We have that right here in the stitching. And this is heavyweight, so this feels really good. We got gray, black, you have that pop of color with the teal. And yeah, I can't wait to put this on, man. This is a very nice box. Let me open up this jacket so you guys can see a little bit more about this. We do have a quilted inside right here, very nice. We do have a pocket on the inside. And yeah, I can't wait to put this on, man. This is gonna definitely be one of those ones. This is clean on the back, so there's no design on the back, but we have everything that we need right here on that front left chest. And right here I do have that jacket on, and I mean the jacket is the star of this outfit. I did throw it on with the black jeans, and I actually got these black jeans in a previous Thread Beast box, you feel me? Went ahead, threw it on with those Jordan 1s, that Japan metallic gray colorway right there. And the shirt actually is the shirt, the gray shirt from this video as well. So I mean, it's like two built-in outfits, but the star of this fit is definitely the jacket, man. I mean, the jacket is super clean. You got that nice inside pocket right there. Definitely will keep you warm. Threw on that Florida Marlins fitted, man. But tell me what you think about this box, you feel me? Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.